In this video, I'm going to show you how to subscribe to market data in Interactive Brokers. So the first thing you want to do, you want to log into their web client portal, and you want to go to the top right, click on your profile icon, and click on Settings. Now inside Settings here, you want to scroll down a bit, and over here on the right, under Trading Platform, you'll be able to see Market Data Subscriptions. This is where you can actually subscribe to market data and change your subscriptions and stuff like that. So when you click on that, it's going to open up the Market Data Subscriptions panel over here. And then in here, you can go ahead and see all the subscriptions you can actually subscribe to and what you're currently subscribed to. And you can go ahead and manage it all in here, okay? You can also click on this button over here where it says Market Data Subscriber Status. And if you can configure this, and you can basically go ahead and select from this drop-down menu over here to actually select your current market data subscriber status, and then you can continue from there on. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.